Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel where we simplify tech and creativity to make your life easier. Today I'm going to show you customize the Finder toolbar on your Mac. If you use Finder regularly, customizing its toolbar, you can make your workflow faster and more efficient. So let's get started. First, open Finder window. You can do this by clicking on the Finder icon in your dock. Then right click on the toolbar and click on Customize Toolbar. Once you are in the customization menu, you will see a variety of buttons and features you can add to your toolbar. For example, you can add delete. If you use frequent external USB drive, you want to eject that drives quickly, you can use the shortcut eject on your toolbar for that. Also, you can change the here from icon to icon and text only or only text only so that you can view them as per your choices. I like to have it like text and icon both. You can also create a new folder or whatever. You can change positions of the icons or you can customize it as according to your need. Also, if you want to restore your toolbar to be default, you just have to drag this default toolbar onto the toolbar and that's it. Your toolbar is now reset to the default. But if you want to go back to icons only, you have to go to manually to show to icons only and click on done. And hope you are done. And that's it. A customized Finder toolbar can save your time and clicks, making your Mac experience more personalized and productive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.